Okay, let's see here. That's ready? Okay, first, hey friend, today we're gonna play a drum. Not an ordinary drum. I'm telling you. It's a hand-controlled drum. So if you do this, boom. Do that, boom. Do up, boom. Do down, boom. And by the way, you gotta press this 2 times, but like that. Press it. Oh yeah, re-controlled again. This is not supposed to do this by itself. Get back here. Mind-controlled drone. You understand that? It's still going. Is that any kind of drone? It's a crazy drone. I can't even reach. Seriously, drone? Are you kidding me? Miss Sana, I'm not going to let you mess with my way. See that? Can't mess with my way. You do this, it'll probably go up. Never do that. This will take a while for it to go down. And it's free air, so why don't you go under it? That almost went right in my face. Ooh. Nice, bro. Okay, let's turn this baby down. Oh, yeah, that's what happens. Whoa! Careful there, buddy. Careful! Let's crawl around. There we go. Let's crawl around it. All right. Okay, this is not unusual, but this is weird. I gotta stop it from messing everyone. Ew. Get back here, you little. It's cheating. See that? It's cheating. Every time I go up here, it goes down. Okay. This will take a while for it to go down. There we go. On now. This is Rachel's ground. It's really fast. So don't use this as your playtime with your baby. Oh. Up, down. There we go. Oh, whoa. No. Up. Down. Okay, that's only a problem. Just turn it off and then restart.